I think Cox has been very successful in the education market because of our follow-through.
In the K through 12 area, they only have so much government money that they are allotted.
They're under pressure to have the most efficient solutions for the best cost, and that's what we provide.
Cox Business has a local presence and always strives to partner with educational institutions.
We realize that education networks are growing day after day.
Wi-Fi is extremely important for students. Most students are coming to college campuses with 4, 5, even 6 devices.
We build redundancy into this network so that the school has confidence that its network will stay up.
I have children in the school districts, and it's important to me to meet their needs so that they can educate our kids now and in the future.
This kind of above and beyond the Call of Duty type of service is unique to Cox. I don't think there's many other providers that would give this type of service.
It's more a partnership than it is a vendor-customer relationship.
I like working for Cox Business because of the relationships I have, both with our customers and with our team, our account team, our operations team, network team. They're really a good group of folks to work with.